Warm sticky date pudding served with vanilla bean ice cream and drizzled with butterscotch sauce. It doesn't get more delicious than this. This dessert is simple and easy to make, perfect for colder nights. Welcome to Recipes by Karina, where I share with you how to make classic and simply delicious recipes. Make sure to follow my page or subscribe for a new recipe each week. To start, in a medium-sized bowl, add your pitted dates, baking soda and boiling water. Give it a stir and set to the side for about 15 minutes. The boiling water and baking soda are going to soften and break down the dates so it'll easily turn into a thick paste for the sticky date puddings. Don't be afraid of sticky date pudding if you're not a fan of dates, because I definitely am not. You won't taste the dates in the finished puddings, but they'll provide an amazing sweetness, depth of flavour and also moistness to the puddings. If you'd like the full recipe, it'll be on my website, as well as the full measurements listed in the description box below. In another bowl, start to make the batter for the puddings. Add your room temperature butter and brown sugar. Using a hand mixer or a stand mixer if you have one, cream the butter and sugar together for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until light, fluffy and almost doubled in volume. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl so everything is being incorporated, and add the eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. After 15 minutes, take a fork and start to mash your dates. Alternatively, if you would like a completely smooth texture, you can add the mixture to a blender, but a fork breaks them up pretty easily. Sticky date pudding is really great as it can be made ahead of time, along with the butterscotch sauce, and both just reheated before you serve. This is why I like to make it in individual sizes, rather than just one large pudding which is sliced up. Take your date paste, making sure it's cooled down or else it will melt the butter, and pour it into the mixing bowl. Add the flour, baking powder, cinnamon and just a pinch of salt to round out the flavours. Take your wooden spoon and fold the sticky date pudding batter together until combined. Make sure not to overmix here and stop as soon as you no longer see any dry flour. Divide the batter between a 6-cup jumbo or Texas muffin pan, or if you would like smaller portions, between a normal 12-cup muffin pan. Bake in a 180°C or 350°F oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the puddings spring back when lightly pressed. Cool upside down on a cooling rack for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. To make the butterscotch sauce, in a medium-sized saucepan, add the brown sugar, butter and cream. This sauce is similar to caramel sauce, but it's made with brown sugar, giving it more of a toffee flavour, which is why it's sometimes referred to as toffee sauce. Place over medium heat and stir continuously until it comes to a boil. Boil for about 5 minutes, keeping a close eye on it as it will bubble up. Cool for about 5 minutes before serving. To serve your sticky date pudding, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream and pour over the hot butterscotch sauce. This is such a classic and delicious dessert, I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.